Hi Divas, hey everybody, good to see everybody today. I hope everybody's doing okay and having a blessed day. I just come out here real quick to do a review on some eyeshadows that I used today. And sorry about noise, excuse me. No son. It's okay. And I was using my Bondo palette, 120 palette that I got recently, and so I love doing makeup, guys. Like I said, I'm not a freelancer or anything like that. I like having fun, living life to the fullest. Okay, you know, I got children. I'm not a child. I'm a grown woman. You know, but anyway, I like to entertain people, keep people happy, smile and laughing at what I gotta say, you know, and I like to keep a smile on somebody's face or make somebody's day. And this is who I am inside and out. I am Vanessa. I am a clown. And so like I said, I'm on a webcam. If I had an HD camera or something that picks up better than what I pick up on here, you'll see a difference. I am who I am. Like I said before. But bundle palette is really nice. I did purchase it for $23. I gotta get the price again. I did purchase it off of Amazon. I got free shipping. And it's got a lot of great colors in there, guys. A lot of great colors. I don't know if you guys seen this palette before or have used this palette before, but in my opinion, it's got a lot of great colors. Now, some of them might have to use some base because of fallout. There's some that have fallout that I'm not going to worry about. And you got to work with some of them. Some of them might have a little pigment, more pigment than the other. This is one of the palettes here. I remember showing you guys. I did a review on it. And let's get the other one up here. I'll lay this down here. And on this palette here, you can see for yourself. Look at all the great colors on here too. Okay. And like I said, it's a really fun palette. I love working with this palette. And like I said, I got it for a little or nothing on Amazon. And I like doing the different stuff with my eyes. Because, you know, everybody has their own thing. Nobody has to be identical. Just like when the kids go to school, parents have to put them in uniform. Kids wear uniforms too, so they can exceed the limit of proper, you know, different clothes. They want the kids they try to make the kids the same instead of having the same, to wear the same different outfits, whatever the case may be. To me, a person's personality, a person on the inside is who you are. You can't change a person, and they have to change themselves. And I ain't angry, I ain't mad, I ain't no hater. I don't hate on nobody. You know, people talk shit all day long until they blue in the face. I'm still gonna be happy either way it goes. I'm still gonna do me. I'm still gonna do my makeup. But and I also wanted to talk about I have another little palette here. I'm sorry guys. Everything's all over the place. Trying to keep my little baby out of everything. I was using this green here. It's an older palette I had, but it's a Milani palette. Ain't that a pretty green? Very pretty green. I wanted to do a swatch on it. Look at that. Very pretty. It's very shimmering, but it's very pretty. I love it. And so like I said, this camera doesn't do justice, but I just wanted to stop by and tell you the colors that I use on my eyes. Did it. I had a friend that had a request for me to do a makeup look for her, and I did, and this is she loves it. So y'all have a great day. Speak to you soon.